So students, coming to point, you also have to know about the oxidation potential and reduction potential, which we have discussed earlier also. Here, as we are discussing the factors affecting electrode potential and Nernst equation, that basically it is Nernst equation because it depends upon or the tells the relationship of between electrode potential, temperature and concentration of the solution. For this student, just recall the oxidation potential and reduction potential. What happens if talking about oxidation potential? So when oxidation occur at electrode, the potential difference developed at the junction of electrode and solution surface is called as oxidation potential. You all know this very well. What I mean to say, when oxidation occurs, okay, then what happens at the electrode? Suppose this is the electrode, and at this electrode oxidation is occurring, okay. So the potential difference developed at the junction, okay, and solution surface. Suppose here is the solution, so here the potential generated is called as oxidation potential. You can draw the expression simply as oxidation is happening. So suppose this is the metal, it will lose one electron, okay, and will oxidize. Similar will the case for reduction potential. Suppose this electrode, assume this electrode that here reduction is taking place. So here also the potential difference developed at the junction of electrode and solution surface is called reduction potential, okay. Basically what is happening here, suppose what is reduction? That is gain of electron. So here the metal gains electron, okay, and the oxidation state is reduced, or you can say it get reduced. So for this the chemical change, you can say that oxidation potential is equal to minus reduction potential, that is E oxidation potential. Let me write it, what I am saying. For this, E oxidation potential will be equal to minus E reduction potential, okay. And similarly the standard electrode potential, that standard oxidation potential, will be equal to minus standard reduction potential. From E naught we will represent the standard electrode potential, or you can say that standard reduction potential. Okay student, now coming to our point, that what is Nernst equation. So as we have known that it gives the relationship between electrode potential, the temperature and concentration of the solution. For this the equation of Nernst equation is given as, here you can see that oxidation potential is equal to standard electrode oxidation potential minus RT upon NF log base E oxidized state upon reduced state. This will be for oxidation potential and this will be for reduction potential, okay. And student, here as earlier also I told you that E oxidation potential, that is equal to minus E reduction potential, or we can say that standard oxidation potential is equal to minus standard reduction potential. And here the terms which are given are, you can see here, E is equal to reduction potential of the electrode, okay, and that may be the oxidation potential or that may be the reduction potential, okay. And R is equal to the molar gas constant, okay, that is its value is 8.314 joule mole inverse and kilo inverse. It is also assumed as the universal gas constant. Here F is 1 Faraday, okay, that is Faraday's coefficient, which is equal to 96500 coulomb. It is equal to 96500 coulomb, okay. Then T is equal to the temperature, and it is represented in Kelvin. And here you are seeing small n. So small n is nothing but the number of moles of electron gained by 1 mole of oxidized state. Okay, it is what? The number of mole of electron gained by 1 mole of oxidized state. So students, this is all about the Nernst equation, or you can simply, it can be also understood in the heading, that is factors affecting electrode potential and Nernst equation. Basically what happens, the temperature at which cell is working, however value of temperature coefficient is delta E by delta T. So for electrode potential it is very low. Okay, so this is all about the Nernst equation. This basic equation is the Nernst equation. You can see here, wait, this is the Nernst equation. Okay, the E naught that for oxidation potential, and for reduction potential it is equal to a standard electrode potential minus RT upon NF log base E oxidized state upon reduced state. Okay, so thank you.